and vigorous positivity in their hearts. Let's find out and be amazed. But before anything else, let me ask you this question. What are we here for? Anyone? Alam niyo ba ang rason kung bakit nandito tayo ngayon? Okay, so it is for us to commemorate the patrional fiesta of our beloved municipality, Ballesteros, and to feel the summer vibes through a celebration of oneness amidst the diversity of the populace and adversity of its situation. We are here to witness showdown of the competing groups within the jurisdiction of the town. This is Baile sa Kalye Competition 2024. Welcome, dear Ballesterians. Let's witness the festivity through dances. To open out this gathering, it is always a driving force if we hear and listen to a message that will inspire every participant in this endeavor. May we all then hear our hard-working and passionate Municipal Tourism Officer Designate. Let us all welcome Architect Raybert Collado Carolico for his welcome address. A round of applause, please.
Magandang hapon, Ballesteros! Bale, hindi na po ako nag-prepare ng aking speech dahil nag-welcome address na po ako kaninang umaga. Pero gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga participants na sumuporta ng unang-unang baile sa kalye sa Ballesteros. Bale, hindi po ito yung traditional na street dance dahil yung street dance po dati na nakikita natin ay mainly traditional steps, ethnic steps. Pero ito ngayon po, ang kakaiba sa kanya, na-incorporate na po ang kultura natin ngayon, which is the modern culture. So nahahaluan na po siya ng iba-ibang klase na dance expression. So yun po ang bagong-bago sa baile sa kalye. Kaya po, tinatawag natin itong unang baile sa kalye sa Ballesteros. So hindi ko na po patatagalin, i-acknowledge ko lang po ang ating mga leaders at co-workers from the government. Andito po nakikita po natin ang ating mga school heads, ang ating SP members na nandito si SP member Jennifer Pascuatan at SP member AJ Guadis. And gusto ko rin pong kunin ang opportunity na ito na pagpasalamat sa ating overall coordinator ng ating Ballesteros Town Fiesta 2024, si Madam Municipal Budget Officer natin, Madam Mary Vigitilia, for making this possible. And also, I wouldn't like to forget to thank our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Vincent G. Unite, and Vice Mayor Violeta Valen Unite for allowing us to hold this event. Sobrang importante po ito sa Ballesteros dahil sa pamamagitan nito na ipapakita po natin ang kultura at the history ng Ballesteros in the way of dancing. So yun lamang po. Good luck sa ating mga participants. Happy Fiesta Ballesteros, Naranyaga Ballesteros, I love Ballesteros.
Thank you so much, Raybert. Truly, words can really make a difference through one's heart. At this point of time, through personal differences and point of views, it will be the camaraderie that will always be built at the end of the day. A camaraderie that will forever be kept and cherished. As a sign of unity, may we all witness an opening salvo to be performed by the participants of this celebration. Our loudest cheers to our participants of this 2024 Baile sa Kalye Competition!
yaman, malaw na katakan, kaamagtuhan, masisilayan. Awat galaw, ikaw ay magpapang sayaw. Tama ang sayaw.
Sayang mo lang ang ganay, sayang mo lang sa dagat hanggang kabuka. Hingga sa pan, tara sa kabilaan.
Nakaw ang niyayo ang
Narasagap ka sa damong iyamin, sa tinunganan ng gabi ng kapwa. Pagkasunod, pinasakit ng
Ayan! Ballesteros are really talented and one of a kind. It is a wow for a spectacular performance and opening salvo. And at this point in time, I just want to acknowledge the choreographer of their Unity Dance in the person of Sir Ricky Neil Tanyeka. Sir Ricky, kaway-kaway naman tayo dyan. Thank you so much, sir.